And a good Saturday afternoon. This is East Texas Storm Team meteorologist Andrew Samet here. We are going to see a chance for a few showers and maybe an isolated storm through the rest of this evening. And then for your day on Sunday, we're going to watch a weak front move on through, which will also bring a risk for some showers and maybe a thunderstorm as well. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to take the graphics full screen here, taking a look at the East Texas Storm Team radar here. The time is about 6:10 as I'm recording this video. There's some popcorn showers that have developed over parts of southern Hopkins County and even in the northern part of the county as well. Traveling further to the east here, we're watching this thing, which is called an outflow boundary. You can see a green line that's developed from Linden down towards Ringgold, Louisiana. This will be the focus for a few more showers and maybe a thunderstorm developing throughout the rest of this evening. Another outflow boundary is also located from about north of Mansfield, Louisiana, all the way to just south of Timpson and just north of Center. That's another area that we'll watch for the potential for a few showers and thunderstorms developing through the rest of this afternoon and evening. But overall, nothing really too serious out there across East Texas. Most of us have been dry today as expected. There's just been those few showers. Now, as we head into your day on Sunday, I think there is a better shot of seeing some showers and storms. We'll get to that in just a bit, but first we'll start by taking a look at your severe weather threats through about 10 o'clock tonight. It's a large hail threat if a storm can get severe. Again, that is a big if. The stronger storms so far stay off to our east, and I do expect that to really be the case for us, but in case a storm does get strong enough, then quarter-size hail will be the primary threat. The rest of the threats are fairly low with this system and are not really a concern. Now, as we head into your day on Sunday, it's similar threats for us. It's large hail is the primary threat. There could be a slightly higher risk of a damaging wind gust up to 60 miles per hour, but even then, the threat is not that high with the system. So that is some good news out there. Let's take a look at what Futurecast is showing, though, across East Texas as we head throughout the next couple of days here. If we can get these graphics to get a move on, we'll be able to see that Futurecast just about right now. There you go. So again, as we head throughout the rest of the evening, a few popcorn showers certainly cannot be ruled out. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm as well. But again, as you can see, most of us are going to be on the drier side, but an isolated cell or two cannot be entirely ruled out. Now, as we head into your Sunday, around 10, 11 o'clock, we may see initial storms developing up in the northern parts of the area. You can see Futurecast picking up on a few isolated cells developing over in parts of Cass County. Again, may not necessarily develop over there, but it gives us a good idea of what can happen. If that does happen, then quarter-sized hail will be the primary threat there if a storm gets severe. But along the front and just behind it, we have some showers and a line of showers and storms that will develop. It's a broken line of showers and storms. Again, we will see this line of storms bring a risk of large hail and maybe a 68-mile-per-hour wind gust. Now, one of the main limiting factors here is if you can see closely with the arrows, you can see the red arrows bringing in that warm air from the Gulf of Mexico, and then we have some blue arrows and yellow arrows coming in from the north and from the west. That indicates the potential is there for these storms to be on the stable side of this system out ahead of the boundary. So if that happens, then the threat will be extremely low for a severe thunderstorm. But if some of these storms can get ahead of the front itself in that more humid air mass, maybe a better chance of seeing a strong to severe thunderstorm, but even then the threat is low overall. We'll continue to track some showers and storms into deep East Texas through about 4 or 5 o'clock, and then after about 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, the rain threat ends for all of East Texas. We'll see those winds coming out of the north area-wide heading into Monday morning. That will bring in some cooler and drier air. No rain expected for Monday and Tuesday. Our next shower chances don't return until Wednesday.